Mom was convinced there was no bananas on this banana tree. But there are some. Right up there. Pretty crazy. We'll see. Just wander aimlessly. Going this way? Did you fail us, Tyson, already? You failed? It's alright, Alan. Alright, so there's another one. I'm guessing that's this one?
How many are there?
8. You're going 4. This guy's not freaking team quit on us. Bunch of quitters. I don't want to go this way. Let's go back this way. We want to go this way. Right here? That was so much easier than what we were doing. The last one. Congratulations, Oahu. Tyson, high five. Yeah. Got all 8. You think? Not bad? Weird?
Different.
It's very different.
I should probably like it better without the chocolate.
Literally just a plain flavor. So good.